you want to spark your imagination, learn acting skills, and bring your ideas to life? Maybe you just want to have fun. I'm Betina Hershey, professional performer, writer, director, and educator at Garden Players musical theater program for kids. I have my BFA in theater from Marymount Manhattan College in New York City. I've performed in musicals such as the national tour of Phantom of the Opera and movies like Disney's Enchanted. I'm here to show you that everyone can act. Do you know about the secret language all actors use? You will soon. By the end of this course, you will understand how to warm up, use your body, your emotions, and your voice. You will know what acting improv is all about, and you will be ready to act with others. You will gain confidence speaking in front of others and sharing your creative ideas. So, get ready to step into your spotlight and be your bravest, most creative self. Let's learn all about acting.